Are you sick of all those YouTube videos telling you how to make money on Etsy? Or maybe you don't even care about success? Perfect. Here are 17 guaranteed ways to destroy your shop and ensure that you'll never have to deal with sales again. Step number 1 is to copy bestsellers on Everbee and Allura. Right down to the product description, you'll have the same font, you'll use the same mockups, the same typos, and if that listing made $100,000, maybe yours will too. Number 2, use Etsy's trend reports. Jump on trends right after they peak. They're basically like the fashion advice you'd get from your aunt who just discovered Pinterest. Ride that wave after it's crashed. Number 3, post product pics on Instagram and then wait. So if you have 100 listings, I want you to put each of those 100 product photos on Instagram and then wait. Number 4, offer 50 color options whenever possible. Your listing dropdown should be longer than a Cheesecake Factory menu. Number 5, niche down, then sub-niche, then cross-niche, then double niche. Because you don't just sell dog collars, you sell vintage mushroom-themed vegan leather dog collars for rescue dachshunds. Boom. Untapped market. All right, number 6, only sell one product type forever. Consistency is key, even if it's consistent failure. So lock yourself in a creative cage. Stick to only tote bags forever. Don't try mugs, don't touch stickers. Other products might succeed, and that's not what we're here for. Number 7, repeat your SEO on every single listing. So you'll take your best performing tags and then you'll paste them on every product. Number 8, price based on your time. If you spent 10 hours making a PDF, you better charge $120 because this is about your worth. It's not about what people want to pay. Number 9, if you have no design skills, you better be DIYing all of your Canva designs from scratch. The fonts, the colors, the balance, just wing it because designing from scratch builds character. Fonts everywhere, no alignment, no color theory. If your mockup hurts their eyes, you're doing something right. Number 10, chase every holiday. Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Groundhog Day, Arbor Day. Just keep piling on listings and don't delete anything. You want your store to look like a festive attic. Number 11, never pivot your strategy. If you are not seeing results in 6 months, just keep going and don't change anything. Eventually, Etsy will reward your persistence in doing the wrong thing. Now, here are 5 bonus strategies to run your shop into the ground. Number 12, ask for shop critiques in 14 Facebook groups. So post this at 2 a.m. and the more unverified opinions you get, the better. And definitely implement all of the conflicting advice immediately. All right, number 13, use all caps in your titles. This is how you will get attention. You'll get noticed. It shows confidence. You just have to scream yourself to page 1. Plus, this really builds trust and people will listen to you. All right, number 14, use an iPhone 6 for product photos. Yellow lighting, maybe a nice wrinkled sheet backdrop, slightly out of focus. Customers will spend more time looking at the photos in disbelief. Number 15, ship late and never respond to messages. Set your boundaries. Your customers need to learn patience. And who needs 5-star reviews when you have inner peace? And number 16, remember, your brand is your color. For example, if you want to be an exciting brand, you better have red everywhere they look. Red backdrops, a red logo, everything red. It will really tie things together and we want to be cohesive. And finally, if you're not seeing results in 6 months, whatever you do, don't change a thing. Keep doing what's not working because maybe it would start working. Subscribe for more elite strategies in business mediocrity, or if you're weirdly into success, watch the next video where we actually teach you what works.